Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Fleming Island local and long distance movers near me. When moving to a residence over 100 miles from your current location, you need competent long distance movers to execute the process. At the 3 Movers, our clients are comfortable when they work with us. We have a good reputation for excellent delivery. We also have valid licenses and permits to move belongings over long distances. We work with the best workforce and moving equipment. Our movers have a lot of experience. We sort your clothing, appliances, furniture, and other home items. Our movers load them carefully into our trucks. Our trucks are strong and they secure your items. We separate fragile objects from solid ones. Our insurance coverage is also top of the line. Our drivers are experts. They drive carefully and get to your location at the appropriate time. If you are also moving less than 100 miles, we provide the best local moving service. We create a moving plan that entails the entire moving process, and we execute this plan successfully. Additionally, our services are budget-friendly. We charge around $30 to $40 per hour. We are the only local movers that offer prompt and adequate services at cheap rates. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fleming Island moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.